You don't have to redesign entire rooms. Sometimes you just need to fix a few things. This space is the perfect example. And today I'll show you how to make targeted changes using AI, from removing elements to updating walls to refining furniture without touching the whole room. Hi, I'm Sasha from homedesigns.ai and we're working with this living room. The layout is fine, the space is usable, but parts of it feels outdated, slightly awkward and not fully resolved. The goal isn't to start over, it's to adjust specific elements and leave everything else intact. This is a great example of a room that doesn't need a full redesign. We can clearly see the structure and furniture placement. The issue is that certain elements are pulling the space down, and instead of replacing everything, we're going to fix those elements one by one. First, I'm removing a couple of elements that don't add value. I'm using the furniture remover tool to get rid of the vent under the window and the fireplace. I go in with automatic selection, refine it if needed with the manual brush or eraser tool, and I click generate. Now we've just gotten rid of objects we don't want to be part of the new design, and we've kept the rest of the room intact. Next, I want to brighten the walls. I'm using colours and textures for this because it gives precise control, but you can also use Magic Redesign, Paint Visualizer or Material Swap tool here. I only want to change the left and right walls yet. So I'm using automatic selection, then I'm going to remove the masking from the middle wall using the eraser because I only want changes to the left and right wall. For the colour, I'm going with a soft warm white. This works well for a Scandinavian feel, clean but not too stark. And now we've updated the wall colour without affecting anything else. Now I'll focus on the middle wall. This is where I want a bit of character. I'm using Precision Plus to add a subtle textured stone accent wall. I select only the middle wall, choose living room and the design style Scandinavian, and I'm using this prompt. I'll test extreme and medium AI intervention and choose the one that looks the best. This accent wall gives the room a focal point without overwhelming it. Now I'll update specific furniture pieces. For this, I'm using Magic Redesign because it follows detailed prompts well and is very efficient at replacing furniture, especially when changes are location specific. This is the prompt I'm using. So this updates the furniture in the room. I made targeted changes, but I decided to change all of the furniture. Could also try this with virtual staging, so I'm using the same prompt and using it with the virtual staging tool. But something to note, Magic Redesign usually handles more precise location based instructions better than virtual staging, especially if you break it down. Quick tip, if you're switching between tools like this, you don't need to keep downloading and re-uploading the image. Just click the edit icon on your generated image and you can move between tools instantly. It makes the process much faster. Now, if you want to explore different styles, you can use Beautiful Redesign or Creative Redesign. This will reimagine the whole space. Great for testing things like coastal modern, Japandi, or just the design style modern. But just remember, this isn't for precise edits. The redesign tools are for exploring different directions and styles. So here's the original room and here's the updated version. Same structure, same space, just refined in the right places. Key takeaways: you don't always need a full redesign. Some spaces just need selective changes. Use the right tool depending on how precise you need it to be, and focus on what actually needs improving, not everything all in one go. If a room feels slightly off, try fixing just one or two elements first. You might be surprised how far that gets you, and it's usually faster and more effective than starting over. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped.